The inspiring journey of Keanu Reeves from struggles to global icon. Welcome to our channel. Today, we are exploring the life of a man loved not only for his movies, but also for his kindness and humility. This is the story of Keanu Reeves, a journey filled with struggle, tragedy, resilience, and unbelievable success. Keanu Charles Reeves was born on the 2nd of September 1964 in Beirut, Lebanon. His mother was a costume designer and his father worked as a geologist. When Keanu was just a toddler, his father left the family. His mother moved from country to country in search of better opportunities. Finally, Keanu spent most of his childhood in Toronto, Canada. School was not easy for him. Keanu struggled with dyslexia and found academics challenging. But there was one thing that made him feel alive: performing. Acting gave him confidence, and at a young age he decided to pursue it seriously. Before entering Hollywood, Keanu worked small jobs like sharpening ice skates and managing a pasta restaurant. Nothing about his early life was glamorous. He earned everything slowly, step by step. His first acting roles started appearing in the mid-1980s. Movies like Youngblood gave him small recognition, but the breakthrough came in 1989 with the film Bill and Ted's Excellent Adventure. The world suddenly noticed his charm, innocence, and unique screen presence. Then in 1994, the action thriller Speed changed everything. Audiences loved him, producers wanted him, and Keanu Reeves officially became a Hollywood star. But behind the fame, life was quietly preparing painful challenges. In 1993, Keanu lost one of his closest friends, actor River Phoenix, who passed away tragically at a young age. This incident deeply affected him. Then came another life-changing moment. Keanu fell in love with Jennifer Syme. The couple was expecting a child, but their baby girl was stillborn in 1999. The emotional shock separated the couple. 2 years later, Jennifer died in a tragic car accident. It was one heartbreak after another, and Keanu carried all this pain silently. Yet, in the middle of all this darkness, Keanu continued to work with honesty and dedication. And then came the movie that turned him into a global phenomenon, The Matrix, released in 1999. As Neo, Keanu became the face of one of the most revolutionary science fiction films in history. The trilogy made him one of the most recognizable actors in the world. But what made him special was not just the success. It was the way he handled it. Keanu donated a huge portion of his salary to crew members, stunt teams, and special effects workers who rarely get credit. He believed they deserved the reward more than he did. Stories of his humility began appearing everywhere: riding the subway, talking respectfully to fans, spending time with homeless people, and living a simple life despite massive wealth. In the late 2000s, his career slowed down. Many people thought his time as an action star was over. Then, in 2014, Keanu made an unexpected return with John Wick. The world instantly loved this character, a silent, deadly assassin with a heartbreaking past. The film not only revived his career but created an entirely new action franchise. Today, John Wick is considered one of the best action series ever made. What makes Keanu Reeves truly iconic is not the fame, money, or blockbuster hits. It is the fact that he never let success change him. Even today, he lives a grounded life. He avoids unnecessary publicity. He supports charity silently. He helps cancer treatment programs because his sister once battled leukemia. He chooses peace over glamour, respect over ego, humanity over stardom. Keanu Reeves is not just an actor. He is proof that you can go through unimaginable pain, face long periods of struggle, and still remain kind. His life teaches us that strength does not always look loud. Sometimes it looks quiet, calm, and gentle. From a young boy dealing with family separation, to a struggling student with dyslexia, to a global superstar, Keanu Reeves has lived every phase of life. Yet his message remains simple: be good to others, no matter what you are going through. So, what is your favorite Keanu Reeves movie or era? Bill and Ted, Speed, The Matrix, or John Wick? Tell us in the comments below. We would love to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. More inspiring celebrity journeys are coming soon. Thank you for watching.